see some rules for the Roman numerals. First rule is if the symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Like 111 is equals to 2, then x value is 10. So 10 plus 2 is equals to 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Then see x, that means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 30. Next rule, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbol V, L, D are never repeated. That means we cannot repeat the symbol more than 3 times, means x is wrong. If you are writing x 4 times, then it is wrong. But the symbol VLD are never repeated, means we cannot write VLD 2 times. Only we use single time. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the symbol of greater value, if the symbol of smaller value is written to the right, of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. That means here the symbol, this V is 5 and 1 is 6. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right, in the right side smaller symbol is written and in the left side greater symbol is written. So we can do the add. We can add these two. V means 5, 1 means 1, that is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Here also 10 plus 2, 12. 50 plus 10 plus 5, 65. Now the next rule, D. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, like here, if a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left, in the left side smaller symbol is written and in the right side greater symbol is written. When this type of situation is there, then we have to subtract. So this is your 5 and this is your 1. So 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Here also 10 minus 1, 9. L, x. We have to first write the value of L. L is 50 minus x value is 10, that is 40. Here also xc. So c value is 100, x value is 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90. Next rule, the symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of the greater value. That is V, L, D are never subtracted. We cannot subtract V, L, D. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only, and the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. These all are the rules to find out the Roman numerals or to write the value in Roman numerals.